Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Ebony Pham and we are going to be looking at some different machines and equipment that you are going to be using. Before we start biscuit joining, we need to mark out where our biscuits are going to go. So here's one I prepared earlier. I've just considered that I want my grain in a certain direction, and this is a combination that I'm happy with. I've just measured it in 100 ml from each side, and so they're evenly spaced out. Length of wood this long, I could do 1 or 2 biscuits. So I'm just going to measure this one. So when you mark out for your biscuits, you want your lines to match up nice and perfectly. Next, we are ready to clamp our wood down to the bench so that we can start setting up for our biscuit joiner. I have my biscuit joiner here, and this has already been set up for me. So if I want to set it up, what I need to do is untwist this part here, make sure it's brought down to the right level for the timber, or the angle that it should be set to is 90 degrees. So to use this piece of equipment, what we need to make sure of is that our cord is undamaged. We're plugging it into our overhead power point. Make sure that that's only switched on when we're actually ready to start using it. Before you start using the biscuit joiner, please make sure that your material is securely clamped to the bench, and that you've marked out your where you will be doing your biscuit. Oh, you need to have eye protection, you need to have earmuffs, and you need to be wearing safe clothing, so your apron or dust coat and some safe footwear. When you're ready, you can make sure that your machine's turned on at the power point, and you line up your line that you've drawn with the little arrows that are on the machine. And then you also make sure that you've got 2 hands on the machine as well. When you're ready, you can press the go button and you can push the back of the machine forwards, and the blade will come out and cut the inside of the wood. Once you've made your hole, what you need to do is make sure it stops completely.